Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change the home button on an iPhone 6. So this one is an iPhone 6s. I hope you can see here, and the home button is not responding. So let's open up. So the first thing you need is a pentalobe screwdriver, and then I'm going to undo these two screws here. That's the first screw. And that's the second screw. So we got both the screws here. And now what normally I use to just find a small opening is at the bottom. Just try to find a small opening, as you can see, and then like use your fingertip to remove that one. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah. And sometimes it's always good to like heat a little bit. So use a heat gun. I'll just use some heat gun. Okay. The other thing I didn't do is like switch it off. That's a good idea. So switch it off, and then use a heat gun. A little bit of heat will loosen up the glue, so it's easier for you to remove it then. I think that should do maybe like 10 seconds. And now I'll use my fingertip to create an opening in the corners. Okay, so finally we were able to open this one. I hope you can see this here. So the first thing we need to remove is the battery connector. Okay, and just organize all the screws in a on a magnetic sheet, or just organize such a way that you don't lose anything. Okay, now I'll disconnect the battery. Okay. Okay. Wow, that has a pretty, this home button has been burnt. That's very odd. Not sure what happened with the customer, but this one is burnt. I'll just show you, like this is for one of my customers. As you can see, it's all burnt. So I'll just remove this. Okay, so that is the old home button. I'll just remove it. And now I got an old phone where I'm trying to use the same home button and replace it. This is for an S8. So yeah, sometimes it's handy to have like old screens for parts. We do buy back from the customers, so that we can, it gives them some money, and also it can help us like make some money as well. Just use some alcohol so that it just loosen up the glue there. Okay, so yeah, pretty much that's the home button I was looking for. We got this home button. Now let's go back here, and you don't need to remove the screen because it's just a home button replacement. I'm not going to remove the screen. Okay, now that's all done. I'll put this metal plate back. Okay, now let's go back and find the 2 screws. Yeah, iPhone 6 is pretty straightforward. I love doing iPhone 6s because it's one of the simplest repair what you can do. Okay, so I just want to test it. Okay, so let's put the battery on. Okay, so now you can see, yeah, that home button works now. Yep, perfect. So now I'll put everything back. Okay, and now what you can do is like you can just close the phone. Okay, so just make sure it just goes in there, and then you can just press from here. Perfect. Okay, yeah, sometimes we do get like some screws in between. Okay, so finally we put all the screws back in, and that's all works now. Perfect. Yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos.